going to be looking into this garage heater, unvented garage natural gas heater, which I have mounted here that has been failing to ignite. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through the checklist to see if we can get this thing started up. Alright, so I got the air compressor hose here and the gas line hose here. So basically what I'm going to do is spray the air compressor into the inlet of the gas hose here and confirm that I have air coming out of the outlet, which is right here. So here we go. Air into the inlet. And I can feel air clearly coming out of the outlet. So now I have the air compressor and the hose that goes directly into the heater. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to spray the air compressor into this hose and confirm that we get air coming out of the other side. I've taken the heater off of the wall now. I'm gonna unthread this hose here and see if I can get any blockages cleared out. So here we go, adjustable wrench. I want to mention, while you're testing the actual gas appliance, you need to have this at the pilot setting and push down, because otherwise when this is up, this gas valve on the inside is closed. So when you push this down, now that valve's open. Again, take these Phillips head screws out. With the whole assembly exposed, I can see that there's a second breather hole right here. I'm going to see if I can get air coming out. So definitely is air coming through there. I'm noticing when I blew it out there was some crud in there. So this heater setup is pretty new, so I wouldn't expect anything like that to be wrong with it, but as you can see, something did come out. So I'm just going to continue to blow it out. I'm going to blow it out from the bottom and see if there's any other areas I can blow it out from. So there we go. On the camera, but when I did that, I actually did see a bubble. So, not sure how well you could see, but when I start the air compressor, 100% blew a bubble out of it. So that basically tells me that this thing does not have a blockage and gas is making it completely through. There she goes. I ended up getting the lighter because I was just holding down the electric igniter, and I'm pretty positive that that runs off a battery, and I don't want to waste it. So there we go, the pilot is lit. Hold this down for 30 seconds is what it says. And it's turned up. There we go. It's working again. So yeah, you know, there was a piece of sand stuck in the brass burner down there at the bottom, and we blew it out with the air and cleaned it up, and now it's all set. So